Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith and this is a Faith Walks channel where the pathways of faith are limitless. So today on my video, I will be creating a neutral holiday eye look. You know, something you could throw on real quick, you know what I'm saying? You know, simple but detailed, cute, giving holiday vibes. So if you want to see what eyeshadow look I am about to create, then make sure you keep on watching. You know you want to. Alright, I am back, and as you can see, I have one eye already done. I know it looks kind of Cleopatra. We're giving Cleopatra Christmas vibes. But I am using the frankincense and myrrh palette from Indi Cosmetics again. So pretty. And I wanted to do a neutral eye look with it because it's I just wanted to show the versatility of this palette. It's just so much you can do with it. So yeah, we're kind of close up and personal so y'all can see what I am doing. So yeah, let's go. So I'm going into the shade Drummer Boy right there, and all I did, we are cutting the crease. You know, it's simple, but you know, we just did a little flex our little skills, you know. So I am going in and I'm just patting it down. And one thing that I like to do, y'all know, I like to bring it down in here. Hopefully this side will go even better than the first side did. First side was not too hard. I just want to show y'all how easy this is, and I'm just tapping off the excess that we get, and I just like flick it up against like that extra skin to create that wing effect, you know. Now because we're cutting the crease, I'm making sure that I add as much pigment as I can. And this Drummer Boy shade is a brown shade, but I think it might be coming off a little bit burgundy, you know, which doesn't bother me because I was originally going to use the shade Silent Night, which is a burgundy shade. And the thing about this shadow is I just feel like it's just so easy to blend, you know. Almost went into Silent Night. Woo. I'm trying to make it more rounded. Yeah, there we go. You just blend. I already primed. I forgot to tell y'all what I primed with. Again, MAC paint pot is what I primed my eyes with, and I did my eyebrows off camera using the Oma Beauty pencil. And after you pack on the color and get the desired pigment that you want, you just blend out the edges. And that's what I'm doing right now, just blending out that edge. Whoo! Y'all, this about to be good. Y'all, these shadows almost blend out themselves. Okay, so believe it or not, I cut my crease using the MAC paint pot. I just, you know, go in with a flat brush, concealer brush like this, and just do like this to kind of emulsify it because it can be really thick, you know. You can go in with a concealer. I have Planet Makeup by Yolanda eyeshadow bases coming, which I can't wait to try out, which I would much rather that type. It's like a P. Louise base type, but it's more matte and dries down really fast, so I'm excited to try that out. But I started off like this. Okay, all right, just to mark, and then I feel like I've been cutting the crease a lot, but I like cutting the crease, y'all. I'm making faces. You gotta do what you gotta do to get these cut creases, okay? And I consider this a soft cut crease because it's defined but not, oops, I'm sorry. It's defined but not crazy defined, you know? Okay. Now this one is going to be a full cut crease. So that means that, as you can see, we went all the way out. We went all the way out. And again, I'm going to clean this up when I do my face with, you know, the concealer. Okay. Now, make sure you look in the mirror just so you can see if you can get that evenness. Now for me, I push up against that skin that's like right in that brow bone area. I push up against it to try to make sure I get the shape that I want. Whew. My eyes started blinking, Lord of mercy. Okay. You may have seen some people clean the lid before, which you can, but this is soft, and so it does not bother me that it is not, you know, crisp crinkle. Ooh, y'all. Add a little more brown out there. Yes. Oh, we did it. I'm so excited. All right, so now I go into the shade to set down this base. The shade Let It Snow. Sorry, y'all. Bumped my finger. It's so not cute. Let It Snow. And I just grab a brush. This is the brush that I'm using. It's a motor brush. Super crease brush. That's what it's called. Out of that rainbow collection they have. And I just go in and just pack it. So now what you do next is, since I packed that on, and you probably saw me go in and reinforce that crease. If you saw me talking, I was talking to my sister. She FaceTimed me. But I was packing in the crease and then reinforcing that crease color, that brown, you know what I'm saying? So then I go into Drummer Boy with a little pencil brush like this. This is from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill collection, JH52 brush. And I'm not so much worried about it being perfect because, like I said, I'm going to clean it up with concealer. But I just go in and just try to create a wing. But because I'm using this brush, I wanted to use this brush to pack on the color. And then we go along the lash line and just line the lash line. I'm just making sure it's even. But yeah, y'all, we got this whole Cleopatra Christmas. I told y'all. Okay, so the next thing I do, I just use the same brush because I don't care. I go into Oh Holy Night, which is that gold shade right there, and it's that self-adhering glitter that I was telling y'all about. I really like this stuff. Unfortunately, I think this palette is out of stock and is not being restocked. Okay, so I just stick that in the inner corner. Ain't that pretty? Just for a pop. You know, I know this is neutral, but we can still have a pop of glitter. Who said you can't? Ooh, yes. And then, so when I put it in the inner corner, and I just kind of like fade it out, you know? like that. And it just stays there perfectly. No extra adhesive or anything like that. That's what I love about it. So the next thing I'm going to do is put in an eyeliner. And I'm going to use this one from ColourPop. It's the cream gel liner. It's the shade Best O. It's like a burgundy shade. And since this came out burgundy anyway, we just going to roll with the punches, right? Yes. Y'all see that? A little more depth. It's not black. Now, I'm wiping off that brush that I used to line my thing in the inner corner. And the thing that I like about this is, because I did my other eye off camera and did the same thing with the exact brushes, you can wipe this off and dip into another color. Sorry, my eyes. But you can wipe off the glitter easily. It doesn't cling at all. But I'm just going to do my bottom lash line off camera, because all I'm going to do is just put this in, you know, the brown shade rather, which was Drummer Boy. But you can use any brown you have, because like I said, I don't think they're restocking this this particular palette. But they do, Indi Beats does have other palettes with the pressed glitters in them. But yeah, we're going under with the brown. And you could leave it blank if you want to. You don't have to go under. Okay, before I go off camera, I'm going to use the little highlighting part of the Beauty stick for the eyebrows. And you just pull it apart. Let me show y'all. Because I never use this and I forget about this. But you just untwist it and there's a highlighting part for the Beauty brow pencil. And I'm going to go, ooh. I'm going to be careful with that. I'm just going to put that one little. Oh gosh, that's crazy pigmented. And I'm gonna use the one that I use Let It Snow for, the brush, and just blend it out with that. Ooh, y'all. Oh man, I like this. Add a little more to this side. Okay. Oh, don't do so much. Ooh, I might have to go in. Yes, look at that. Ain't that pretty? Y'all, I like it. And that's all that matters. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Like I said, off camera, I'm going to clean up this little wing situation, do my face, and then I will show you guys the finished look. I'm gonna add some lashes too, but yeah, we got our little neutral holiday look. Okay, feeling real festive. All right, I'll be back. All right, this is the finished neutral eye look, y'all. I didn't even put lashes on. I just put a good mascara on. It was I used the Essence Princess Lash Mascara. And I just think it looks pretty. This look is very neutral, but still got a pop of glam. If y'all want to see the face, then make sure you check out the video. It's either coming or, yeah, it'll probably be coming. So look out for it. Put your notification on, subscribe, so that you can be notified of when I, upload these videos, okay? So you can see. Because we use the e.l.f. CC cream, okay? But yeah, this is just a neutral eye look that you can use, when you want a little bit of glam, a little bit of Anyways, I really love how this eye turned out, and it's super easy. You just clean up with the concealer and you're good to go, honey. Yeah. So y'all try it. Let me know what your thoughts are, We cute. I'm feeling real cute. So yeah. But this is the eye look. I love you guys and appreciate you guys. And you know what? I'm going to see you next time. Have a great holiday season. Got glitter on my hands. But have a great holiday season. I will see you next time, okay? Bye.